Okay, today we're gonna pick up my Chanel earring that I brought here to fix. Come on, let's go.
Here are the earrings. You want to just take them out, make sure everything looks okay.
So my original earring is all yellowy and some of the rhinestone came off, and Chanel is able to do it for free for me. They just repair all the stone and then probably polish the silver. It looks so good! I wish I took a photo of what they looked like before. The diamond turned yellow and some of them even fell off. I have this pair of earrings for about 4 years, and for the past 2 years I didn't wear them at all because I was so embarrassed. So one day I thought, why don't I just bring them back to Chanel to see if they can fix them for me. And they do have jewelry repairing service. It'll take about 4 weeks. They will have to mail this back to the factory to repair and then mail it back to the store for me to pick up. How's it look?
Does that make sense?
Like brand new? I'm really happy how it turned out. It's like a brand new pair of earrings, and they're able to do it for free, which is amazing. But I know not all jewelry repairing are free, so make sure to check with the staff. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you next time.